Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a head wrap tutorial. Yes, you know I love my head wraps, so I'm definitely excited to do some more styles. Now if you've seen my previous video, you would have seen how I styled this look that I'm sporting right now, but in case you missed it, I will play it back as the first style for this video. And other than that, I will be doing 3 other looks, so keep watching. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my head wrap tutorials. Out of all of them, I think this has to be my favorite, just because, I mean, as much as like when I had long hair and I loved big puffs, I love when head wraps are like super huge. Like You know my hair is cut and I got short hair, but you would have thought I had a whole thing of hair underneath here. But I just love how big head wraps can be. I put all the details for the head wraps that I use in the description area so you can see where to get these head wraps from. And other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Until my next video, love y'all, peace, love, and all things happiness. Bye guys.